Let's go check it out. Sheep Creek camping area. This looks good. Yeah. Crystal, what do you think? Does this look good? We found some national forest land in the great state of Utah. We're in Utah. We just made tracks past couple days. Zoom, zoom. And here we are. It's beautiful here. The drive was beautiful into Utah today. We got some fish going down.
Quick.
I'm going to work on some angel hair pasta and some tartar sauce. I don't have an onion though, but I have lots of garlic, so.
I went for a run. We're about 6,000 feet here, and I found an old, I don't know, it's a national forest just southeast of Salt Lake City. Pretty remote area, but I ran a couple miles out and back, and it just about killed me. So
the elevation.
I've been at sea level way too long.
Oh, that was your first trail run since your accident too. How did that go?
Good.
Yeah.
So I've been running for almost 4 weeks now, but just on pavement, because the thought of tripping, and I trip a lot on trails. I got roots and rocks, and especially on the hills, you get tired, and the thought of tripping, hitting the shoulder and ribs, just about make me cry. So
yeah, I don't want it to happen, and I know you want it to happen less than I do.
I gotta take care of the fish.
Okay. Yep.
It's washed.
Oh, hi, Miss. Are you monitoring my water? Oh, we got almost a boil here. Just some angel hair nests. Oh, what the heck. Just dump it in, right? Doesn't have to be pretty. Whew. Okay, now I'm going to work on some tartar sauce.
Oh, see that? That's a good
Nice.
seasoned cast iron right there, huh?
Ooh.
I love good seasoned cast iron.
Yeah. Oh my, this looks delicious.
Hope you're hungry.
That's a lot of food. I always say that, but I end up eating it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, whatever, hon.
Back to it. This feels good. Pistol thinks it smells good.
So, I don't know if we mentioned, but we kind of made tracks and didn't film. We drove typically 100, 150 miles is kind of a average travel day for us. Sometimes we don't go at all, or just short distances, but we did 3 days, probably close to 300 miles each day. Didn't film, and we stayed in when we got tired, we pulled over in rest stops.
Yeah.
Noisy. Last night, there was a freeway on one side of us and a train track on the other side of us, and I listened to them both all night. It wasn't terrible though. I think I was just exhausted.
Yeah, we slept.
So anyway,
It was
now
fun.
we're in the National Forest in Utah with great food.
Things are as it should be. Great company.
And you made tartar sauce.
I did.
Her tartar sauce. It's almost as sad to cook a good fish with her tartar sauce, because you could eat your shoe with this stuff.
Yeah, but this doesn't have onion. I usually put onion. Very
guess-
good. Where are we off to tomorrow?
Well, we got to work away. We kind of want to. I don't really want to spend too much time like going through Colorado, because I don't know what the weather's going to do.
Yeah.
So we've been through New Mexico a number of times, but we've never crossed the northern part of New Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
We've never crossed the northern part of Texas. We've never crossed that northwest part of Oklahoma.
I like seeing things we haven't seen before.
So it's kind of nice to, plan a route. I mean, this is our 13th trip across the continent.
Yeah.
Be the 11th across the U.S., and we're still able to find. I don't think you could do it and never not find new roads. There's so many places. It's such a massive country.
It's true.
So many back roads.
Mm-hmm.
Where did you have this hidden at? I didn't remember.
I'm actually just going through pantry stuff and trying to eat up what we have before we do a big grocery run. So yeah, there was a half open bag of angel hair pasta in there. It's been there for a while.
You'd think if you lived in a van, know everything that was in there, but I still lose stuff.
Yeah, it's amazing how that happens. Okay, I'm gonna put this camera down so I can focus on eating. We'll just see you guys in the morning.